what's up? This is kind of like an updated bike check. I'm just going to show you guys my brakes I just put on. So let's get started. Start off, I got the Primo 1-bolt lever. It's pretty sick, I like it. Then I got my Odyssey top cable. It's pretty cool, I'm liking it. Down to my stolen satellite detangler. You know, everything else stolen too. Got my Odyssey brake cable again. Down to some fly brakes and some clear Odyssey brake pads. And that's my updated bike stuff. And there'll be another bike check soon because I'm getting some new parts for my birthday. So yeah, look out that, and there's gonna be a new edit. See you guys.